How's it going, guys? This is Victor with the BOB Trading Team. I haven't made a video in a long time. I'll go ahead and say that now. Honestly, I've just been really busy, but I do want to start making videos again. And the market was really weak from like January to February. It was really weak. It wasn't too much going on. It's kind of starting to pick up a little bit. There's a couple more opportunities. So I decided let's make a couple videos, or let's make a video today. So today we traded stock stss. It's like a health company or something like that. They have 9 million shares. Let me see. And today when I turned the computer on at 9 o'clock or 9 a.m., they were trading around 7. They had like 7 million volume. So let me explain this trade really quickly to you. So this is the strategy I've been using since like the end of February, and it works the best, and I should have been doing it, and it's going to sound like common sense when I say it, but sometimes you just need to hear somebody say something and the light bulb goes off in your head. So hopefully this helps somebody. So I turned the computer on. I seen that the high of the day was around $3.20 when I turned the computer on, and this happened at 4:59 a.m. You can see that at the bottom of my screen. If you come straight down here, it says 4:59 a.m. Okay, cool. I normally turn the computer on around 9 o'clock now. It was 8:30, but I try not to do any pre-marketing, and I have a few other things, so I'm usually pretty busy in the morning. So I started trading around 9 o'clock now. So where is it at? Okay, cool. So 9 o'clock, I turned the computer on right here. I know high was 320 of the day. The high of the day was 320, and the low was around $2.27. So right here, I turned the computer on. I'm looking at it. And the way you want to look at the stock market, you want to look at it like something's either on sale or it's overpriced or it's at its average. We're looking for great return. So we want to buy stuff when it's on sale. A lot of people, they like to trade momentum, and it works for some people. Trading momentum doesn't work that well for me personally. I like to get in at strong support levels when it's on sale or when it's close to the bottom. And then in my head, if I buy at the bottom, you never know where the true bottom is. But if I buy close to or where I think the bottom is, the chances are it's only going to go up. That's how I look at it. And this is the strategy that works the best for me. Try it out, see how it goes. So I know the bottom is 227. So I want to get as close to $2. I want to get an entry as close to $2.27 as possible. So I'm watching it. I turn the computer on at 9 o'clock. I watch it. It's right here, 36, 232. Thought about getting it in 232. I'm like, nope, let me get a little lower. 233. Then it goes down to 228. And I know the bottom is 227 just because right here it comes down to 227 and then it goes back up, right? That's how I know the bottom's there, or I think the bottom's there. It could break it, but that's where the bottom was last time, and it didn't go below that level again since then. So that's my bottom. So it comes down to 227. I try to get in at 227. I actually got filled at 229, which isn't terrible, but I wanted 227. But 2 cents isn't bad. So I hold it. It comes down to 226 or 224, like 225, 226, which is close to 227. So I'm not panicking. I'm not nervous or anything. I'm holding. And then the volume starts to pick up. And then you just notice what happens. The price starts to increase. The price action starts to go up. And the market opens and it skyrockets up. Let me see. The market opens at 9:30. At 9:30, it opens at 244. Within a minute, it's at 267. Within another 3 minutes, it's at 292. And within less than 15 minutes that the market opens, it's at $3.62, which is $1 and about 40 cents of profit. I didn't get out at 326. It's easier to find the bottom than it is to find the top, in my opinion. So I thought the top would be around, because if you go to the daily chart, which is right here, this is a pretty new stock. So if you look at the daily chart, the high was before today, it was $2.71. So what I thought was going to happen is the stock was going to get up to 270, 271, go a little over, and then pull back dramatically, because that would be, it wouldn't be on sale anymore. If it's over 270, it's not on sale. I was wrong. It went up a whole nother $1. So I guess they thought it was still a good price, and people that bought it at 270, they were right. But I would give this trade an A, but I'm going to show you where I got out at. So I got out at, okay, got to 270. Okay, I sold a large position. I sold a large majority of my position right here around 271, 275. So I'm gonna put this right there. Just make it blue so you can see it. Sorry. So I got out right here, and then it got up a little higher, and I sold some more at about 285, and then I thought the pullback was about to come, and it went up to 292, and then it pulled back from 292 to 270, which is about a 20 cents drop. And by then I was out. I made my profit. I made about 70 cents per share, 50 to 70 cents per share, which is pretty good to me. It kept going up. I didn't have any FOMO. I just watched it and seen what I could have done better. Probably could have held a little longer, or I could have sold. I did 50. I sold 50%. Then I sold 25%. Then I sold another 25%. I probably could have done 25%, 25%, 25%, or I could have done 25% if I didn't say that right. Or I could have done 33, 33, 33%. But I'm happy with this trade. I would give it an A, not an A plus, but I would give it an A overall. Could have done better, but my entry was really good. My exit was good for the information that I had at the time. My exit could have been a little bit better, but I'm happy with this trade overall. I give it an A. The goal is to have A plus trades, but I'm happy with this. And this is a strategy that works best for me. Try to get as close to the bottom as you can, as long as the stock has good volume. If it has a news catalyst, that's even better. But if it has good volume and you get it on sale, it should go up. This is a strategy I've been using for the last 2 months. Currently, I'm on a 7-day green streak, knock on wood. It continues, and I will try to make a video tomorrow. I'll try to be more consistent with making videos again. Hopefully this video helps. There will be a link in the bottom of the description where you can go buy the BOB trading course and learn how to use some of the strategies that we use, or you can just keep watching these videos. And if you want to join the BOB Discord, feel free to. Thanks. This is Victor. Hope everybody has a great day. Bye.